So many of you guys who are here may remember me from Fiverr or have worked with me through Fiverr. We've been the #1 credit repair specialist on Fiverr for the last couple of years. But recently, Fiverr decided to move away from credit repair in general and let everybody know about it. Except I still love Fiverr. Fiverr is a great company and they offer a wide variety of different freelance work. And it's the reason why I brought you here in this video. Because what I want to talk to you about is using it. And I've used it so many times, you guys. I've spent so much money on through this site. But I wanted to show you what you get. And I wanted to show you what, from a visual aid, since you're watching this video, what some of these guys' stuff looks like. And this one looks pretty timeless to me. He's only charging 130 bucks to get these done, and he's done over 1,000 of them. So just like what I did talk about over there on Upwork, this is the same exact setup almost, but prices are reasonable. And these guys are really willing to work with you and earn your business. So if you're looking to get the design work done and still keeping it within the visual aid part of this course, check out Fiverr. It'll help get the juices flowing and hopefully get you what you want.